In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove the OneDrive shortcut in File Explorer. This is a straightforward task that can save you a lot of time and help you manage your files more effectively. Let's dive right in. First off, open File Explorer. Depending on your system, you can do this by clicking on the folder icon usually pinned to your taskbar, or you can use the search bar next to the Start menu button. Simply type in File Explorer and select it from the list that appears. If you haven't used OneDrive much before, this first step ensures you can navigate to where you need to be without hassle. With File Explorer open, the next step is to locate OneDrive. This will typically appear on the left-hand sidebar alongside other folders and drives. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down or expand the sidebar until it becomes visible. Clicking on OneDrive will highlight it, allowing you access to all your stored files and folders seamlessly synced across your devices. Once you've selected OneDrive, you'll want to right-click using your mouse. This action opens a context menu full of options related to your selected folder, OneDrive in this case. The context menu is your handy toolkit for quickly accessing features that might otherwise be buried within menus. Now, look for the option that says Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. These options allow you to create quick shortcuts to OneDrive on your system's taskbar or start menu, which can dramatically cut down on the time it takes to access your files. Click on your preferred option. Choosing Pin to Taskbar will place the OneDrive icon directly on your taskbar, which is perfect for quick access. On the other hand, Pin to Start will place a tile in your start menu, giving you another quick method to reach OneDrive with just a click. Suppose you decide that you no longer want the OneDrive shortcut. Removing it is just as simple. Go back to where you've pinned the OneDrive shortcut. This could be on your taskbar or in your start menu. Right click on the shortcut to open the context menu once more. When the menu pops up, choose the option that represents removal, which is commonly a unpin action or a trash bin icon. Click that and your shortcut will disappear from its location, freeing up space and reducing clutter. And there you have it, a simple but effective tutorial on how to add or remove a OneDrive shortcut in File Explorer. Mastering these little tricks can streamline your workflow significantly, helping you stay organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.